So in today's video tutorial, I want to demonstrate to you guys how to set up your payment method on TikTok ads in Nigeria in 2025. So the first step that you're going to be doing is just come to your browser, open a new tab and tap ads.tiktok.com. So once you type ads.tiktok.com, you're going to have the same interface just like the one you're seeing right now. And then the first step that you're going to be taking is come to where we have a get started here. Click on get started, and once the page opens, then we can proceed from here. So click on the first option, which is a business center. So click on the business center. So once you click on the business center, if you're just setting up your ad for the very first time, your ads manager for the very first time, you're going to be seeing the option here, add the billing information. So I'm going to be clicking on it here. Click on get started. So once you click there, you're going to come to this interface. So if yours is not the same with mine, all you have to do, like once you click on this option here, then you are on this URL. All you have to do is to scroll down to the list of menus that we have by the left hand side here, where we have finance. Then click on it. So if you have a tax ID, enter your tax ID. Make sure that you select your state. So I'm in Lagos, so I'm going to be selecting Lagos. My street, I don't think Ibejuleki city. I'm in Ibejuleki, so I'm going to be selecting Ibejuleki. Oh my god, my street, I cannot remember my street anymore, so let me just put any name here. 47 Alhaji Street. Alhaji Street, Awoyaya. Awoyaya, something like this. Then the postcode, let me search for Awoyaya postcode. Awoyaya postcode. So I'm going to be getting the postcode. So this is the postcode for Awoyaya. 105 105 101 105 101. Then I'm going to be clicking on submit here. So make sure that the information here is correct before you hit on the submit button, because I'm not sure if after you have submitted this form, you'll be able to have the opportunity to edit it in the future. I'm not sure. So since I'm not sure, make sure that before you click on the submit button, everything here, you feed everything correctly before you hit on this submit button. So on my end, everything looks fine, and that is why I'm clicking on this submit button. So we'll be taken to the next interface, and I'm going to show you guys what to do next. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so, because that is the only way that you're going to help me to grow this channel. And also turn on the bell notification icon so that you always get notified anytime I upload new video on this channel. So you can see that I'm going to be clicking on skip here. So you can see that the default payment currency here is NGN, because the country that we selected while creating this ads manager is Nigeria, and that is why our default currency here is NGN. So you can see that this is a fresh ad account, like we've not done anything here. So you can click to add money here, or you can click to add a payment method here. So let me click on this option that says add a payment method, and let's see what we have inside. And from here we'll be proceeding. Click on add a payment card. So you can go through this route to add a payment card. So any of your debit card, you can actually add any of your debit card here. So any of your bank issued debit card. So it must not be like a domiciliary debit card or a foreign debit card. So long as the debit card is issued by the Nigerian bank, you can actually use it here. So for security purposes, I will not be entering my payment card here, but then on your end, make sure that you put your payment card and click on submit button here. So let me show you guys the other option again. So the other option that we have is add balance. So click on this add balance. Then you can enter the minimum amount of money that you want to deposit into your, you see minimum 15,000. I'm not sure if minimum to deposit into your ad account is 15,000, but let me try 20,000 to see. So this is 20,000 naira, or let me try 2,000 and see if we can actually fund with 2,000, or minimum is 15,000. So since minimum is 15,000, I'm going to be entering a 20,000 naira. So remember, 7.5% will be taken as what you call VAT, value added tax, and 7.5% of 20,000 is 1,500, and that is what you're seeing that here. So you click on confirm here. So once you click on confirm, you still be taken to the option of either debit or credit card. Click to select the option, enter your payment card details, click on make payment, and this 21,500 will be debited from your bank account, and your uh, ads manager here will be automatically credited upon confirmation of the transaction by TikTok. So this is all you guys need to know about how to add your payment card to your TikTok ads manager in 2025. So this is all I have for you guys for today. So make sure that you subscribe to my channel so that you can get to watch other subsequent videos from me, and don't forget to like and share this video with other people. Turn on the notification icon on, like I said earlier, so that you always get notified anytime I upload new video on this channel. That being said, that will be all for now. See you in my next video.